what I'm gonna do? Oh my god, my Adobe Premiere is all messed up. Oh my god. So what I'm gonna do? This is the question, right? Like you want to reset your layout, receipt your layout, and you don't know how to do that. So I'm your guide, Marcus Stone, and in this video you are going to learn the magic of Adobe Premiere with 2 clicks. So what you want to do is go to Window, Workspaces, and then reset to saved layout. Whoosh, whoosh-a-ba-da-ba-dee-ba-doo, da-ba-da-ba-doo, yabba-dabba-doo. So this is how we make it. Yeah, you know, lately what I think about life, but it's not from nihilistic and phlegmatic perspective, but from normal one, is that this life is just meaningless. But in the same way, you can put whatever meaning you want into the life. But really it is meaningless. Like, it just, but in a positive way, not in a negative way. I don't know how to describe it, I need to think about it.